Good morning, friends. This is Jeff Arcos. Welcome again to the daily GMT Forex webinar. Remind you, this webinar is not meant to be a financial advice. This is only an education presentation. So please consider term and condition before you continue. Same when you're receiving this recording. So well, thank God for another into my life and I pray His blessings today. In Jesus' name, Amen. All right. Oh, so what we have here, we got at 630 average earning index for the British pound, and then a 1030 CPI with the US, which is monthly, and core CPI monthly. It has some variation. After midnight, nothing really, and that's it. Okay, so as I said, my day start very early, so I have to. My daughter has a breakup relationship, and now giving the house back to the, and is a lot of other things surrounded, so it's a bit painful at the moment for the family, but nothing that can be overcome. So at the moment, yeah, so I did not have time to do the chats, and after webinar, I have to continue rushing to helping my daughter. All right, so okay, so here we are. Let's start our day. So now I have incorporated this. If you have see your index meta, so we got the weekly and we got the everyday setup over there. All right, so we can see here the changes, and I think it is going to help us a lot as well over there. So if the Australian is the weakest one, so I'm going to pick over here, and then just go. For example, if I said Australian Swiss, both are the same direction. Seems like they're not going nowhere. When I look the Australian Swiss, so yesterday, so this is that and the 4 hours and just trading everything. So the Australian Swiss was we're looking over there in the 1 hour. So there, and another one. So if I look in the Australian Swiss yesterday, Australian was weak and Swiss was strong. So that's Monday yesterday. So that's what over there. And the most important part, it was that yeah, we changed the color, so everything was quite bearish for that. Where are you? So Australian Swiss, Australian yen. I guess this one is continue. Sorry, Australian yen. The strength is 7. This is just rising up. So and I think yesterday, no, we didn't touch that there. So we're looking here, Australian yen, and there it is. So I see yen. Yesterday was a nice day. So yeah, so that one there. Oh, that was from here. So my stop loss was there. Comes over here, and now it's in the midline. The Aussie yen. Pound Australia. Nice divergence. So here today, actually, is a very good day to, if we look in that. something like that. So that's day is good. Pound is strong, Australian is weak. We got the divergence over there. Um, so here we see in this one, like I said, we weren't going to need a lot of days before we can read this one. 1 week alone is not enough. The Australia, yeah, because of that move, the Australia has half. This is a strong move. So that's what is showing at that strength over there. The pound is not going nowhere. But today, if we look in here, the pound Australia is perfect. That's what I want to keep it, both of them. Now, quite is interesting as well. We are below to the midline in the 4 hours, and that's actually quite interesting the way it is. Whether we and here it is there. So here definitely would be a breakout. There is no other completed breakout with the pound Australia. So loaded and breakout by this one's definitely is the case. And there we are. So pound Australia. Let's see what happened. Okay. So unfortunately, let's better go to this other, the one that we have yesterday was more easy for me. So we're looking here, pound Australia there. Yeah, it's just the moves are very strong moves. All right, so we are just about the midline. So right over here, we just need to be a bit careful, but that's definitely a good one over there. Uh, Euro Australia. So this one, um, some kind of, like I said, the move was so strong. So it looks like that yesterday we did the Euro Canadian, which it got a stop out sell. I think we did, but the Euro Australia we did not put it in here. Yeah, we were before below to the midpoint. Now here already we're running from that, so it's definitely we need to. I would have my first go on the midpoint because it's 2 days. Here it's nice to try the breakout, but here it could be the midpoint only. Okay, and that is the Euro Australia. And later today, midpoint retracement by. Okay, so we'll see. Australia, US. So Australia seems like after the day, and the US is apparently weak, so we should be looking to go long, which is not the case at the moment. But according to this one, we should be looking to go short. So it's been quite. It looks to me that this one is settled because after the break, you're expecting that from here the market will retrace. After the break, here will be retraced. So it's very uncertainty. So far today, we just see that even with the number wise, this is 1, this is -6, -5. So yes, definitely Australia, US. It looks quite good. All the Australian crosses are in trouble. Midpoint retracement by, and then later I change it if I need to. Australian, Canadian, Australian, Switzerland, we don't do. The next one is Swiss. So Swiss is the strongest. And the US is the only one left we have. So the Swiss is strong, the US is weak. That's what it says here. The US is weak and the Swiss is strong. So this is now matching perfectly. And yesterday I think yeah it got triggered with that one, so no need to do anything. Um, so we'll see. So that's perfect scenario with it. US Swiss. Okay. Next one is New Zealand. It's the weak side. So, so definitely will be a Swiss yen, which I'm not looking anymore. Pound Swiss, we don't look in Euro Swiss, we don't look. Oh, sorry, New Zealand. I'm talking. My head is New Zealand yen. So that would be the yen is just right in the top, just everyday marking, very strong. So New Zealand yen. There we are. And I think yesterday we did look. Yeah, we got triggered with that. Stop loss in place. There we are. Okay. So yeah, that was yesterday. So things continuing his way. Pound New Zealand. So now, um, so both are in the same direction. The pound collapsing Friday. So we're looking here. Maybe we don't have much hope, but in here, the pound is strong. New Zealand is weak. We are just in the touch of the midline as well. We have changed the color from red to green. So, and today, we have a nice. So that's definitely a date that I could be taking if I haven't been yet in down. So this one, I'm gonna do by both. Look, Euro New Zealand. That's much better. And we are about the midline. the market has break, comes over here, so it looks quite good day. And the euro is being strong as well. So this we're just gonna get the buy breakout. Okay, and New Zealand US. Okay. Okay, we are below to the midpoint. Market changed from green to red, and actually I'm waiting for their. I have my own platform, waiting for a break from there. Okay, and this one, I think you already got it. No, I got New Zealand yen. So gonna get the breakout. Sell. Okay. Right, then Canadian. So Canadian is the next one. Canadian yen. Okay, so there we are. Canadian yen has break yesterday, come back, hit there. So we continue looking for shorts over there. Okay. And Canadian yen, yeah, got triggered yesterday, so. Alright, so that's still running that one there. Okay, yen, Canadian is weak. We're ready now the yen, where the yen is. So that's the Canadian yen. Okay, pound Canadian. Interesting, very difficult. All right, so this is when sometimes we can miss this. Both, if we're looking here, um, that was nice over there when it broke from here. We could get that. Now we are in this day, but we're still below to the midline. Okay, here could be bouncing from there. So yeah, I'll be looking this one later tonight at the London time. So I will be looking somewhere over there, 11, 12 hours. See what happened, whether we're gonna close above the midline or no. Time will tell us. Euro, okay, we did Canadian yen, pound Canadian, euro Canadian. This is the one we did yesterday. All right. So the euro is still on underneath. This is up, and we've been now. Now, when we're looking the dollar, I I think it was until 11:30. I want to see what the dollar. I should not do this. Just bring the dollar back here. Yes. Yeah, yesterday was just waiting to see. So it's not definition yet over here. I would recommend to wait for that. Okay, because that can cause the direction of the whole market. So it's the whole week, last week, went absolutely nowhere. Could be just a retracement, could be the beginning of the. So here, whatever is gonna break, we will know. So far, the US is still the weakest currency, so it's a division in strength, and time will tell us which way is going with that. Okay, now on the yen. On the yen, we have the US yen. So from one week to this week, everything is down. So this one yesterday, yeah, just broke up, and that's it. Leave it over there. Euro yen. So still underneath, so we can continue looking to go short with this one. Both are the euro is strong up, but yeah, here I don't have the trade that I'm looking for, so I will do nothing with this euro yen. US yen. Okay, got my mouse was didn't want to move. So euro yen and pound yen. That's the only good one. Is I got that trade right here. So that's 100 pips in my direction, and yeah, we need to see how far this will go from there. Then the rest, I guess, is the pound has a split strength, um, and here. Okay, so now let me see how this one is going. So from where we are, so Australian Swiss got a break from there. Australian Canadian break from here. Pound Swiss, pound New Zealand, nothing. Pound Canadian waiting. Pound Australia, very difficult. Euro pound right from there, as it's not really running. So we came below. Now we are about, maybe today the first fractal will be the breakup. This one would continue to looking going short. Euro Australia same. This one Swiss yen go estopado. Canadian yen, New Zealand yen, right in the midline. Get a break even for that. Come back midline in. This one broke up there. Pound yen So it's been from this week, so 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half running. Euro yen market came back to the midline, run. US yen midline, run. US Swiss, US Canadian doesn't look very long. New Zealand is one of the weakest, so there is go up, come back, get that order, and run. So that's quite good. Australia US continue running, so we'll see. Pound and euro, nothing with the euro. Yeah, we want to see that the dollar really leave that consolidation before we'll see any of the currencies actually move. So Australia definitely has still a weaker strength as we see over there. By the way, as well I don't know if you see in here, if you put a vertical screen, which I have to my right hand side, what I like it in this one is that I don't know if I can bring the other one who has more data. Is this one? Let me see if this is the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, so this is here. So what I used to love this, so I got the US as my central view. So in that day the US break, I want to see the euro, the pound, Australia, New Zealand over there. So what I will not be trading is, for example, the pound US. Because of that, I will be looking Euro US. I will not be trading Australian US, and definitely I will be looking New Zealand US. And here I will be looking to trade no